In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Typeform to Google Sheets in an easy integration process that should only take about 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and simplify your data management. First, you'll need to go to the Typeform website using your browser. Simply type in www.typeform.com. Once the page loads, you'll find the login button conveniently located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on it and you're ready for the next step. Now it's time to enter your login credentials. You have a couple of options here. You can use your email address and password, or if you prefer, you can log in using your Google, Microsoft, or any other connected account if you've previously set that up. Enter your credentials in the respective fields, and once you're all set, click the login button to access your Typeform account. Once logged in, you'll need to choose the specific form you'd like to connect to Google Sheets. Take a moment to select the right one. With your form open, locate the Connect tab. Click on this tab to access the integration options available to you. You'll then see a list of potential integrations. Here, choose integrations to proceed to the next step. On the integrations page, you'll be presented with a range of options. Look for the Google Sheets integration among these choices. Once you've found it, click on it to initiate the setup process. Now, to allow Typeform to transfer data to Google Sheets, you need to log in using your Google account. This step will grant Typeform the necessary access, so proceed by entering your credentials and authorizing the connection. Next, you'll have to decide whether you want the Typeform responses to populate a new Google Sheet, or if you prefer to use an existing one. If you choose to work with an existing sheet, you'll need to paste the URL of your spreadsheet into the provided field. This ensures your data lands exactly where you want it. Finally, to complete the integration, click either the Connect or Activate button depending on what you see. This action will finalize the process, linking Typeform with your chosen Google Sheet, allowing for seamless data transfer. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to connecting Typeform to Google Sheets, simplifying your workflow and data management. With this integration in place, your Typeform responses will automatically sync to your Google Sheets, ensuring your data is up to date and easily accessible. Thank you for following along, and happy data organizing.